In this video, we will see how we can define the server roles for the particular user in SQL Server. All we have to go to the user and right click on any user to whom we want to modify the server roles and go to the properties. Then we have the server roles panel over here, and we can define the several options from here, like process admin, public, security admin, server admin, setup admin. So based on the requirement, we will define the server roles to that particular user. And once we have defined, then we will just click on OK. So this is how we can define the server roles. Thank you so much.